graph of y equals natural log 1 plus x squared is concave up. So looking for concave up, which means the second derivative is, or I should say, d squared dx squared is greater than 0. That's when it's concave up. For what intervals? So the first derivative, it's going to be derivative of the inside times the derivative of the outside, evaluated at the inside still. And then the second derivative is going to be derivative of the top. So 2 times the bottom minus the derivative of the bottom, which is just 2x times the top, all over the bottom squared. So that's going to be 2x squared minus 4x squared. It's going to be 2 minus 2x squared over 1 plus x squared squared. And the question is, when is this greater than 0? So greater than 0 question mark. Well, the bottom is always going to be positive because no matter what value for x you plug in, any negative value is going to end up being positive. And the lowest thing is going to really be is 0. So 1 plus 0 is still positive. So this is always positive. The real question is when is the top positive? Because that's going to determine when this entire thing is positive. So this is the same thing as looking at 1 minus x squared when this is greater than 0. Of course, this is positive, so we can really just ask when is 1 minus x squared greater than 0? And that's going to happen when x squared is less than 1. Well, that only happens, right, when it's between -1 and 1. If it's greater than 1, you're going to get 1 minus, like 2, for instance. 1 minus 2 squared is 1 minus 4. That's going to be negative. Or if it's less than -1, so -2, for instance, 1 minus -2 squared is going to be 4. 1 minus 4 is also going to make this thing negative. So you have to be between these two bounds, and that is C.